3 Guns Tattoo Machine Kit Ink Needle Supply. First off, I'd like to say that it arrived within the time frame, so I'm pleased. 2 NDIMA touch on the equipment, sturdy, seems durable and worth the money. Although I didn't receive everything listed, the title says 3 guns although the description says 4, I received 3, the description says 10 stainless steel tips, I received 9, 2 sets of keys to the box was dented a little, but I'd have to attribute that to the delivery though. They did give me 2 sheets of copy paper, which was good, I wasn't expecting that. 30 disposable tips. Nah, more like 9, quality inks, more like mediocre, not bad but could be better. I haven't tested out the power supply yet, so I'll keep you updated. Wish me luck. All in all, I can say it's worth the money I paid. I received no gloves or green soap practice ready, but I would recommend purchasing more items before you start on human flesh. Red ink capo. Professional 1 Tattoo Gun Tattoo Kit MGT18 with Tattoo. 1 PC New Design Beginner Tattoo Machine for Shader and Liner. 2 Superior High Quality Power Supply. We will send the power cord and plug fitted buyer's country. 1 foot switch, 1 clip cord. 5 pre-made sterile tattoo needles. 2 PCS steel tips. 1 PC high quality alloy tattoo machine grip. 1 bottle of tattoo inks. 10 PCS of ink cups. 10 premium black nipple style grommets. 10 rubber machine O-rings. 10 tattoo machine rubber bands. 1 set of adjust tools. ZTATO 100 pieces tattoo needles, 3 RL, 5 RL, 7 RL. Came very fast. Was exactly what we were needing, different sizes in a good amount. No more of one kind than the other like some boxes, pretty equal. Held up well and were all still sealed. 50 PCS mixed disposable sterilized tattoo needles with grip. Bought these for my tattooist to use on my wife and me, and he said these are the best needles he has ever used. He proceeded to throw some nice looking tattoos on us. Dragonhawk Complete Tattoo Kit. 1 Tattoo Machine Gun Tattoo. 1 Machine Tattoo Kit for beginner tattoo artists. Tattoo kit chosen by experienced tattoo artists. Complete tattoo kit.